feeling myself, feeling myself. Chef Luz, feeling myself, feeling myself.
Watch me act you down, this gonna go down, this freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
So I've been home alone for a minute. All the food in the fridge is done. Well, cooked food. So it's time for me to Chef Luz. Yeah. I can't cook, so let's see how it goes. Cooking the plain old white rice. Drop a piece of thyme. Shit, I think that's too much, but can't bother already. Yeah. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. I think that's good. Wash my onion and pepper. It's about to go down. So peeps, this is where I messed up. Unfortunately, I didn't season the shrimp. No meat seasoning or fish seasoning, nothing. However, on a positive and negative note, the rice was salt. So it kind of equal out. Enjoy the rest of the video. Feeling myself, feeling myself. Chef Luz, feeling myself, feeling myself. About to add some pepper. No. Want it to be spicy. I think that's good enough. Yep. I believe it's time to add some water. Ooh. Or probably not. I don't know. Let me add a little water. I'm gonna wait probably 5 minutes and then I add my pepper. No. I'm gonna add my pepper right now, so it's spicy. Add in my pepper. I'm gonna give it a stir. Shrimp's looking good. I'm not sure if it actually needed more curry, but that's how it is. Black pepper on, pepper in. I'm gonna turn the stove down and let it simmer down. I'm really proud of myself. I haven't done this in a while. I didn't call anyone. I didn't use YouTube. I just freestyle. I look at my pot. Pot turn up. Yeah. And my curry shrimp is done with my white rice, and I add a little blueberry to the side. You have to have your food with fruits or vegetable. Yep. So it looks good. Smell good. God damn, it tastes good. Now, I know I say this a lot, but today I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna go 3 minutes non-stop. So I'll be doing 6 different routines for 30 seconds non-stop, not even a second break. Let's get into it.
Granny pot some boy drop down. Yo, watch it. Say she have a man, but him man pop down. As him turn up, so the boy drop down. Full of chat and him can't back none. What the girl want? Real steel. She got white liver. Girl got white liver. Real steel. She got white liver. With the glue every time me watch her now. Firm yard man inna your gritty. Wind up your body, feel me pretty naked. Girl come here with the pretty kitty. The boy then no good, him go give you icky. Can't like your house, so him feel like a city. Can't sticky, him a licky itty. Every night week out and a sticky. Pack him up, dash him out, baby, you see me. Say she have a man, but him man pop down. As him turn up, so the boy drop down. Full of chat and him can't back none. What the girl want? Real steel. She got white liver. Girl got white liver. Real steel. She got white liver with the glue every time me Man full of action at bedtime. Can't tell a friend them say me can't whine. Bubble for the love, bubble for the dollar sign. Get off self now, me never done 9. Make love flow like a red wine. Full of energy like say man a turbine. Where you close there? Look, you can't find. Link me tomorrow, set time. Yo, watch out. Say she have a man, but him man pop down. As him turn up, so the boy drop down. Full of chat and him can't back none. Where the girl want? Real steel. She got white liver. Girl got white liver. Real steel. She got white liver. With the glue every time me boy can't manage it, no worry about it. Call J crazy, report it. Me be real with you, me will deal with you. Baby, you not have to doubt it. Boy can't manage it, no worry about it. No loss. Call us them and report it. Me be real with you, me will deal with you. Baby, you not have to doubt it. Say she have a man, but him man pop down. As him turn up, so the boy drop down. Full of chat and him can't back none. Where the girl want? Real steel. She got white liver, girl got white liver. Real steel, she got white liver. With the glue every time me say she have a man, but him man pop down. Granny pot some boy drop down. Yo, watch ya. Say she have a man, but him man pop down. As him turn up, so the boy drop down. Full of chat and him can't back none. Where the girl want? Real steel. She got white liver. Girl got white liver. Real steel. She got white liver. With the glue every time me watch her now. Firm yard man inna your gritty. Wind up your body, feel me pretty nicky. Girl come here with the pretty kitty. The boy then no good, him uncle give you kicky. Can't like your house, so him feel like a city. Can't stick.
Yeah. That 3 minute was intense. So, do me a favor, like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share, because by you sharing the video, that's how you're going to help me grow this channel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.